Welcome, my dear ones, to Clever Mum. This is where smart cooking ideas meet everyday convenience. Let's make magic in the kitchen together. Air fryer or oven? What belongs in your kitchen? This debate sparks joy and curiosity for many of us mums. Do we prioritize quick, healthy meals or take time savoring culinary artistry? Let's break it down together, step by step. On one hand, air fryers are champions of crispy fries and savory wings with barely any oil. On the other, ovens gift us golden cookies and tender roasts. Isn't it wonderful how both bring something special to the table? But, sweethearts, here's the real question. Does innovation replace tradition, or do they walk hand in hand? Let's chat about ease, energy, taste, and which might just be the perfect fit for your own warm kitchen. As we explore deeper, darling, this conversation isn't about picking a side. It's about reimagining how we cook for ourselves and our loved ones. By the end, you'll have the tools to make every mealtime special. Ready to find what works best for you? Let's dive in like the clever family we are. Air fryers are the new darlings of the kitchen world, right? Crispy food in minutes with barely any effort. But, loves, is their simplicity limiting our versatility as cooking enthusiasts? Ovens, my sweet bakers, are all about slow-cooked wonders, rich with flavors you savor. From steaming casseroles to flaky pastries, they remind us of home. Why choose between them when they can be your dynamic duo? Picture this, quick snacks in the air fryer like crispy sweet potato fries while your oven works on a bubbling shepherd's pie. Both tools, they're teammates in making your kitchen sing with joy. So, my fellow clever cooks, what truly fits seamlessly into your life? Is it the modern, speedy air fryer or the versatile, soulful oven? Or blending both for harmony? Let's explore practicality today. If you want to impress guests, air fryers whip up guilt-free crispy snacks in no time, like veggie chips. Thinking of a hearty family meal? An oven has your back for grand flavor-packed dishes. Alone, each shines. Together, they make your kitchen unstoppable and oh so cozy. Every kitchen, my dear friends, is its own kingdom. And the ruler? That's you. Whether you prefer quick weekday dinners or elegant, slow-cooked feasts, your cooking habits and lifestyle will guide the perfect tool for you. Let's continue unraveling how these tools save energy, expand creativity, and make your time in the kitchen truly enchanting. Air fryers bring speed and simplicity. Ovens, master batch cooking and variety. Imagine blending their strengths in your happy kitchen routine. Isn't that just the dream recipe for success? So here we are, nearly at the finish line of this exciting journey. Sweethearts, think about it. Chitite, what makes your kitchen dreams come to life? Is it the rush of air-fried crispy treats or the traditional oven creating memories filled with smells of baked goodness? Or perhaps it's about finding joy in the flexibility of both. Cooking isn't just about meals. It's about togetherness, love, and creativity. Let's keep that at the heart while choosing your perfect kitchen companion. So, clever chefs, what's the verdict? Air fryer magic, oven brilliance, or combining the two? Share your thoughts and remember, it's all about what makes you happiest in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, Clever Mum. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Clever Mum family for more kitchen tips and heartwarming moments. See you in the next video, my clever chefs.